morning, everyone. Hi, I'm Miss Fairuz from Malaysia. Still remember me? Yeah, I am the one who've been to your school last year on September. Remember? Yeah. So, I really miss all the students at Yarra Road and also my teachers' friends over there. Hi, I hope everyone is in a good health and happy because the schools have started again. Actually, I'm a bit jealous because I miss my kids so much. I miss teaching because in Malaysia the school is still closed. So the students still have to stay at home and go through the online learning. Yeah. And starting from this week, starting from Monday, okay, the teachers, only the teachers have to go to school to make some preparation. Like when the school wants to reopen, we have to follow the standard procedure, SOP, standard operation procedures for the COVID-19. So after this, I will show you some videos of my students do the activities during the remote learning during that quarantine time, last 2 months. Okay? Alright, so stay tuned.
When I touch the light to a pale object, it forms a clear shadow. When I touch the light to transcend object, it forms a less clear shadow. And when I touch the light to transparent object, it forms a almost no shadow at all. Now,
Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Saya Nur Damia Delisha dari kelas 6 Mawar ingin mengucapkan setinggi-tinggi perhargaan kepada petugas barisan hadapan khasnya para doktor, jururawat, polis dan tentera.
That's all for now. So I hope we will meet again online, just like this. Okay, so just want to wish you welcome back to school. Take care and just follow the SOP for the COVID-19. Wear your mask, wash your hands frequently. Okay, so don't go to crowded place. Okay, stay safe. Bye bye.